Hello and namaste. Welcome to our channel, Hey Travelers. Hope you all are safe and healthy. But during this pandemic, I know it's been very hard to live without traveling. We are suffering a lot. Since last few days, so many random thoughts have been spinning around our minds. So here we are, going to share with you guys. Travel is a learning process. Things that we cannot learn in books but experience in reality to understand Mother Nature and life. From all that we have experienced and learned from traveling, humanity is the biggest culture, and it's time for us to support one another to bring our normal life back on track. Right now, I'm stuck in Kolkata. I shot this video on my way to office. Now, the city of joy is going through second lockdown, although it's not fully strict lockdown. So, being a responsible citizen or a traveler, staying indoors is the least we can contribute. And for those who are privileged, they can help the ones fighting the situation. Just like many other industries, we have been hit hard. The fact is, travel bloggers rely specifically on movement, and now we aren't moving. At this moment, except for travel throwbacks, I'm left with no content to post on a social media. Asian countries are being affected the most as we were the most preferred and cheapest tourist destinations in the world. And country like Nepal, which is heavily dependent on tourism revenue, has fallen into an abyss. Right now, it would be good to encourage consumption of travel content to quench our wanderlust through travel pictures, websites, blogs, books, and travel documentaries. I was supposed to trek to Everest Base Camp in last October, but it felt quite risky due to this COVID 19. All bookings had been done, flights, hotels, etc., and I cancelled everything. In upcoming days, the method of budget traveling is going to change a lot. Traveling in sleeper class on trains, staying in hostels, or even hitchhiking on road, all will be going to be little unsafe. And I'm so confused thinking about alternates of all these travel styles. Last night I was planning to go for a road trip with my scooty and a cozy tent to spend the night away from the crowd. If you have any better ideas, please let us know by commenting below. Although nobody knows how long it will take for the situation to be under control, we the travelers still hold on to our travel dreams in a post-COVID-19 world. Alright, this is Tanmay Traveler signing off. See you in next video. Stay home, stay safe.